Pick Hanam when the buds have fully developed and the flower has not yet opened. Once the Hanam is picked, set it in a well-ventilated, cool, dry place. The roasting should be done soon after the buds are harvested. Ong Iavak, also called four-winged saltbush, is gathered. The Iavak will be used to protect the Hanam while cooking and add flavor to the Hanam. Care should be taken when gathering to ensure the resources are not depleted. Only take a portion from one plant. Once harvested, place the Ong Iavak in a shaded area until needed in the pit. Rocks are gathered to line the pit walls. The rocks help retain heat in the earthen pit. If river rocks are used, care should be taken during firing. Trapped moisture may cause the rocks to explode. A hole is dug approximately 6 feet wide and about 3 feet deep. When digging the pit, place the dirt along the edge of the hole. It will be utilized later. Once the pit is dug, line the pit with the rocks previously gathered. Start from the bottom and move up along the pit walls. Smaller rocks or shards are used to fill in gaps between larger stones. It is important to cover as much exposed ground as possible. When the pit is completed, quack or mesquite wood is stacked in the pit. The wood should be stacked as high as 1.5 feet above the pit. While the fire heats the pit, prepare the food. Burlap or muslin cloth can be used to wrap the food. Secure the bundles with wire, leaving a large loop to be used as a handle. The Hanam can be wrapped in bundles as well. For this video, we decided to lay them directly on the Ong Iavak to show another step in the process later. Soak the bundles of food in water. Soaking the food bundles will reduce the chances of the food burning and create steam during the pit roasting. Wet the Ong Iavak thoroughly. The following steps should be done quickly and with urgency. Place the Ong Iavak over the coals. If the Ong Iavak starts to ignite, quickly snuff the fire with more wet material. Immediately after the pit is bedded with the Iavak, pour the Hanam in the center of the Ong Iavak and place the food bundles. Quickly add more wet saltbush over the Hanam and bundles of food. Cover the pit completely using the dirt placed around the pit. Spraying the surface with water is useful to form a sealed cap, but it is not necessary. Look for areas that smoke is escaping. If small holes are not covered, the pit will cool before it is cooked. Let the food cook for 24 hours from the time that you pitted it. When opening the pit, remember it will still be very hot. Remove all the dirt and the top layer of the Ong Iavak. Using a shovel, hook the bundles by their handles and remove them. Because we did not wrap the Hanam, use a shovel to carefully remove the Hanam. At this point, the Hanam will be mixed with dirt. An initial screening can be done to remove most of the dirt using burlap. Once the initial sifting is complete, place Hanam on screens to dry in a well-ventilated area. Once dry, the dirt and spines can be removed by rolling the Hanam over the screens with tongs until clean and spineless. Once the Hanam is clean, they are ready to be eaten in a variety of ways or stored for future use.